Well, just the sort of weather the fans were hoping for this evening. It's absolutely ideal. I'm Derek Ray, and my commentary partner here on the gantry is the former Arsenal and West Ham player Stuart Robson. And everyone here on tenterhooks, you'd have to say, with good reason. What do you anticipate seeing, Stuart?
Well, Derek, we can talk about coaches and their methods, but it's now down to the players. Which ones are going to stand out, who will affect the game, and who will have the greater desire? It should be a cracking game, though.
This is how it looks for the home side.
Well, a 4-4-2 system relies on good combinations all over the pitch. The front two, the central midfield pairing, the fullback and winger, and of course the centre-backs. If you can get these combinations right, you'll have a good team.
And this is the initial 11 for the visitors today.
Well, it's the same system, so it's very much about the individual battles. The team that wins more of those should dominate and win the game.
And so the match is underway. Well, he likes to run at them. And a good-looking ball. Well, they couldn't quite muster a real threat. Running room in the wide position. But quick thinking defensively. He's in control of the situation. Possession given away, unfortunately. Well, that is how to run at defenders. Can he get them in front? Well, it's a long way off target. Possession lost, intercepted. Moreira. An incisive pass. Well, now in a dangerous position. In it goes! The opening goal in this contest.
Just look at this again. The combination play in the top third of the field was so precise. And when he gets onto it, he decides to go for power. It's a really emphatic finish, which gives the keeper no chance.
And back underway. 1-0 it is. Can they make one of these passes count? Well, I think a classic commentator's curse just then. Couldn't make the ideal pass. Moreira on the ball. Very comfortable when in possession. Oh, he's really opened them up here. And keeping it out. Cleared away. And that was a very fine read. Well, the attacking options appear plentiful. And he cuts in from the wing. Happy to take on the shot. And diving to thwart him. Now sending it in. And he clears the danger. And beyond the last defender, offside. It looks promising. High quality defending.
Well, there you can see it. The hosts haven't been able to control possession, but when they have had it, they've looked so dangerous, particularly when they press high up the field, win the ball back in those areas, and then counter-attack quickly.
Well, they keep passing away. Has eyes for goal! Oh, from miles out, he's done it! How about that for a pure strike? Terrific technique! Wondrous!
Well, just look at this strike again. He hits it so well. That's a great bit of skill. No wonder he's pleased with himself.
Well, a second goal for them here. Promising sequence. But they took care of the situation defensively. Well, let's see what they have in store for them on the break. This looks promising. And it might be. There it is! The goals keep coming. No stopping them today.
Well, here's the replay, and as you can see, this is almost perfect. Lots of curl and enough pace on it. The keeper had no chance.
Well, this is threatening to get out of hand. Just look at the scoreline. Now he must favour the cross. And it's gone behind for the corner. And over it comes. Well, still an issue here. Foiling his opponent completely. The corner kicks keep on coming. And there's the delivery. Just the clearance that was needed. And the whistle is sounded for half-time in this game. And we're focusing on him for a reason, Stuart. He's asking plenty of questions of the defenders.
Well, he's been brilliant today. His skill, his movement, his goals. What a good performance. And he's not finished just yet.
And so the match is underway. Moreira. Well, now in a dangerous position. In it goes! The opening goal in this contest. Happy to take on the shot. And diving to thwart him. Well, they keep passing away. Has eyes for goal! Oh, from miles out, he's done it! How about that for a pure strike? And it might be. There it is! The goal! Plenty to consider based on what we've seen so far as the second half begins. An inability to keep hold of the ball there. Now, counter-attacking possibilities here. Well, that's one for them to pursue. And he struck the post. Not fantastic defending. Let's see if it helps the opposition.
Well, I still can't believe that didn't go in. So unlucky not to score there. Cracking effort, you have to say.
They've given it away. Chance to run at them. Could play it in. Excellent passing. Will it happen for them? The pass could do damage. Well, it all counts for naught. Well, we're into the final half hour. And it's a quality pass. And he keeps going. And the problem not completely solved. And the keeper there to make sure nothing untoward happened.
Well, as you can see, the hosts have had most of the ball and have used it really well today, particularly in the midfield areas. And I expect more of the same as the game goes on.
Sese. Moreira. Oh, great vision. But mistimed his run.
Well, he's got the timing all wrong there. He just needs to bide his time.
Both managers deciding this is the time to change things around. Both teams going to the bench. Moreira. And he read it well. An incisive pass. And pushed onto the woodwork. Really good interception. Well, they've given him too much space. Oh, big opportunity. Well, it might still work out for them. And the keeper hangs on at the second attempt.
Well, he's done really well, hasn't he? Great stop and then the reaction.
Options in the centre. Now what can they do from here? Racing forward, trying to catch them out. Do they have the guile to open up the defence? Oh, just narrowly off target.
Well, they broke with such pace and intent. Fantastic move, just couldn't quite cap it off.
And we are going to have 2 additional minutes. This looks promising. And there it is, the final whistle. The home fans are going to be happy with this result.
You're absolutely right, Derek. Their attacking play was excellent, full of energy and pace, and the midfield completely dominated the game. It was a great all-round performance.
But it just seems in this game, he's been a step ahead of his opponents in every way, Stuart.
Well, that was a great performance. His understanding of how to find space was brilliant today. And, of course, he scored 2 really good goals.
Moreira. Well, now in a dangerous position. In it goes! The opening goal in this contest. Happy to take on the shot. And diving to thwart him. Well, they keep passing away. Has eyes for goal! Oh, from miles out, he's done it! How about that for a pure strike? And it might be. There it is! The goals keep coming. No stopping them today. Foiling his opponent completely. The corner kicks keep on coming. So they have the guile to open up the defence. All in all, oh, just narrowly off target.
Well, they broke with such pace and intent. Fantastic move, just couldn't quite cap it off.